Hi everybody, and welcome back to another tutorial of crocheting. Today we are going to see borders, how to make the corners of the borders. Today I'm going to show you how to make the two ways of making the corners. Now, in order to crochet the border, we have the rule that if we have a row of a single crochets, we crochet one stitch for each single crochet. If we have a row of half double crochets, we crochet two stitches for each half double crochet. And if we have a row of half double crochets, we crochet two stitches for each half double crochet, and if we have a double crochet row, we crochet three stitches for each double crochet, etc. So I'm going to change the yarn, the color of the yarn. In order to change the color of the yarn at the corner, we make the stitch, we work the stitch as usually. At the final stage, instead of using the color A, for example, we use the other color. So we're going to finish the stitch with the other color. Then I make a single crochet, and I'm going to make a border of single crochets. So, and in this swatch I have crocheted half double crochets. So in order to fix better the colors, for a few stitches I'm going to crochet the yarn as well. So I'm going to make single crochet, and I'm going to make two single crochets in each half double crochet stitch. So and I am at the corner, and now I'm at the corner, and I'm going to make the first technique, which is one single crochet, two chains, and one single crochet in into the next stitch. And that's it. The corner is made, and now I'm going to continue with the blanket stitch. When we are crocheting the single crochet stitch, we call it the blanket stitch. And now I'm near to the next corner, so I'm going to crochet a single crochet at the last stitch and two chains, and then I'm going to make a single crochet into the next stitch, and here's the second corner, and then I'm going to continue with the blanket stitch, now I'm near to the next corner, so I'm going to show you the other technique, which is I make one single crochet in the stitch and 2 single crochets into the next stitch, so we have 3 single crochets. We can also make 2 and 2 single crochets. That depends on you, or on what that depends on you, because as you can see, this is one corner and this is the second corner with 2 different techniques. And anyway, usually the patterns are indicating the number of stitch that we have to make in each corner. Now I'm going to continue by making a blanket stitch throughout the row, and now I'm near to the next corner stitch, in which I have made 1 single crochet, and now I'm going to make 2 single crochets in the same stitch in order to arrive to have 3 single crochets, and that's the border. The corner with the 2 chains, 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet in between 2 chains, and the border with the 3 single crochets. But anyway, you can also make 2 and 2 single crochets. That depends on you, that depends on the pattern, etc. Thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye bye.